right, we are going to make a pyramid monster. Ooh. A pyramid, just like these guys that we find in Egypt here. They have 1, 2, we can't see at the back, 3, 4 triangular faces and a square base at the bottom. Ooh, this kind of looks like a pyramid. I see a triangular face, and there's another triangular face on the other side, but this face is a rectangle. That means it's a triangular prism like we made before. A triangular prism is kind of like a pyramid because it does have triangular faces just like the pyramid. But our triangular prism also has rectangular faces. Pyramids, like these shapes, only have triangular faces and then a square base. Square on the bottom. Okay, so the first thing we need to do to make our pyramid monster is to cut him out along the solid lines. Now these stars here, they would be really hard to cut out if I went in between all those points. So instead of doing that, I'm just going to kind of cut a big shape around my star. So on the side there, up, kind of making a rectangle around my star. All right, and that is much easier to cut out. All right, now we need to fold backwards along all of the dotted lines. So I'm taking my dotted line, I'm folding it backwards. I'm going to do these tabs first. Make a nice crease. And then fold. There's dotted lines along our square base as well. So I got to fold that in. But now I have to unfold it to do the bottom one. Otherwise, I'm going to squish my top one. So I'm folding and unfolding just to make a nice crease. All right, with all the folds, it's starting to make a triangle, or sorry, Whoa, I'm forgetting my shapes. A pyramid already. It's looking like it wants to come together. So I'm going to put glue on the tabs, then push and hold them together. Let's try and make that shape. Okay, everywhere it said tab, I put some glue. Now I'm going to fold them in together, touching the tab to the other side. Tab to the inside. Tabs go on the inside, so we won't be able to see the word tab anymore. Do it on one side. I'm doing the side with the 2 tabs first. I guess they both have 2 tabs. Folding it in here. We're both folding it together. Now, there we go. Now my glue isn't super strong. So what I'm going to do is use some tape to reinforce this. So I'm just going to put some little pieces of tape on my seam. So where the paper meets, a little piece of tape, fold it over. And I think I'll only need to do that on 2 opposite sides, the parts that don't have these little stars sticking out. Otherwise, I'm going to end up taping my stars. There we go! Look at that! Now, if you want to make yours much cooler than mine, before you cut it out, add some color. Now, how do I know this little guy is a pyramid monster? Let's see. He has 1, 2, 3, 4 faces that are shaped like triangles, 4 triangular faces, and 1 square face acts as its base. So that makes him a pyramid monster. Have fun making yours!